This is Alex. He's never been adjusted before. Breathing in and exhaling. Lots of noise.
Oh, what? Okay. All right.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
And no pain, right?
No pain.
Right? Exhaling, relax. Boy, lots of noise there too. But could you tell the difference of the tone?
Yeah, I definitely can.
Yeah. Is there any pain when I do that?
No.
Good. You feel it tight though, don't you? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So breathe in, exhaling, do a little drop. Just like that.
Oh, nice.
Just goes to show you are new at this.
Yeah, I really don't know what I'm doing here.
Breathe in, exhaling. I mean, it did pop so easy.
Yeah.
Go ahead and lift your head up a little bit. Breathe in and exhale.
That was, oh my God, wow.
Yeah, and you think
that's really incredible.
Yeah,
actually. I mean, I've never had that done before. So
yeah. So now you know.
I approve this message.
That's awesome.